Good afternoon, YouTubers. We're back again. We're still in Louisbourg, Nova Scotia. It's Caper Couple here. We decided now we'd just stop over and show you the lighthouse. And yeah, so I've got a little bit of information here to tell you guys. The Louisbourg Lighthouse, it's an active Canadian lighthouse in Louisbourg, Nova Scotia. The current tower is the fourth in the series of lighthouses that have been built on the site. The earliest was in 1730 and was the first one in Canada. It was built to assist in navigation to the Fortress of Louisbourg. Completed in 1734, and it was caught on fire in 1736. Destroyed the lantern, but the stone tower was unharmed. A new lantern was installed in 1738. This lighthouse played a big part in capturing the Fortress of Louisbourg, as it provided a gun battery location to bombard the fortress. It was badly damaged in 1758 during the final siege of Louisbourg. Today's lighthouse is an octagon concrete lighthouse, has neoclassical architectural features, and was built in 1923. This tower is a twin of the George's Island lighthouses in Halifax, Nova Scotia. It is now a very popular look-off point, and in 2008 became the start of a coastal walking trail. There are plaques marking all around the walking trail, which in our last video we showed you that as we took a walk along that trail. So guys, Laura, you can wait right here for a second. You don't want to climb it again. I'm just going to climb in. Okay. Well, we're going to climb up here, guys, and show you the view off of the hill here. So I'll flip my camera around and show you what we're going up. See this? This here, I think this one was where the first lighthouse was built, right here. This is the ruins of it. See this, guys? These are the ruins. It's a little windy up here, but I hope it doesn't play a part on it, on the audio. But yeah, look at that, guys. It's so beautiful. How do you like that? Nice place, really nice place. Honey there. Just taking pictures of herself, doing selfies. She likes her selfies. So yeah, look at that, guys. I'll zoom in a bit for you guys here. Yeah, nice. How do you like that? Over that way somewhere is Gooseberry Cove, where we've done that video. Zoom back out. How do you like that, people? It's just a beautiful area, isn't it? Oh, some type of walking trail going down that way. You can see people walking it. Yeah, it goes quite a ways down. Okay, baby, let's go this way and we'll go over and show them the lighthouse. So guys, what do you think of this area? Nice? I like it. It's the first time I was ever here. Wow, look at those waves. That's just awesome. That is awesome. Just a beautiful spot. With the islands out there. Nora's up there texting or something now. Gotta get her out of that. It's filming time. Get a nice little view over here. This way. Look at this, guys. Oh, that's beautiful. Check that out. What do you think of that? Nice little coves here. Decent. There we go. That's what I wanted to catch. That's what I wanted to catch, guys. So, we'll bar now and we'll head over and show you guys the lighthouse. The camera in focus.
Laura takes a selfie with Kevin in the video.
So, we'll head over this way. It's a nice little hilly area over here too, guys. See that? The area. Say there's a walking trail over there. It's a popular area. There's all kinds of people here all the time. The information I told you guys I had to dig up last night. So we'll come over here to the lighthouse now. The active one that's still standing. As I say, there were 4 here over the years. Boat trail here leading to it. So I'll pan the camera and show you guys this. A little bit of information here. We'll read it off to you. Let you guys know. Island Battery. The island battery located on the nearest island helped protect the harbor from naval attack. Its cannon fire and that of several shore batteries covered the harbor in an effective crossfire. Built of masonry between 1726 and 1730, the island battery included a powder magazine, storehouse, water cistern, and barracks. It was silenced for the last time on June 25, 1758 by British guns firing upon it from this spot. I actually had that information for you guys for the cove up there, but we couldn't get in the cove. It's all closed off because of that last nasty storm we had. And there's all kinds of down trees and stuff, and they just won't let you in there for the rest of this season, guys. So we'll have to go there next year. Next summer we'll head back out this way, and we'll take you guys down there. It's a great little area, people. Great little area. So I'm going to turn my camera around again and let you guys have a roam around here. This actually used to be a part of an old lighthouse too, I would imagine. Don't see any of the purpose of it. Oh, look at that. See that, guys? There's 2 bits of information there for me to read off to you guys. First lighthouse. Before you were the ruins of the first lighthouse erected in Canada. The second in North America, built by the French and first lit in 1734. It was badly damaged by fire 2 years later, then quickly repaired. The lighthouse offered guidance to thousands of approaching sailors until 1758, when it was destroyed during the Second Siege of Louisbourg. In 1926, after lobbying by local history enthusiasts, the Historic Sites and Monuments Board of Canada unveiled the bronze plaque to your left. Which is right there. See that, guys? It's a bronze plaque. Zoom in on it a little bit for you. See that? And my baby's got to have a little seat there. Must be getting tired. And this one. So, 19th and 20th century lighthouses. During the first half of the 19th century, maritime officials took steps to reduce the many navigational risks and shipwrecks along the eastern seaboard of Canada. A new lighthouse was erected at Louisbourg in 1842. It was a 2.5-story wooden building that also served as a residence for the keeper. fire destroyed this building in 1923, and the present lighthouse was built the following year. See that, guys? This is the area around it. I'll give you a view out on the ocean there. See that? In the cove. We actually went way up by that water tower thinking it was up that way, and we kind of got lost. And then we asked directions and we got our way back here. We were trying to find the cove down the end. There's another plaque. This tablet commemorates the valor and endurance displayed against overwhelming odds by the French forces who in 1745 and again in 1758 garrisoned the defense batteries on the island opposite the entrance to the harbor of Louisbourg and facing this post, this spot. Sorry, guys. Falling concrete. Darling, you're not supposed to be there.
How?
Because concrete falls off of this and it's really loose above your head there.
Oh, let's get a picture before it falls on your head.
Okay, guys, on this site was erected by France in 1731, the first lighthouse tower constructed of fireproof materials in North America. Near here, the British erected batteries to silence the defensive works erected by France on the island opposite the entrance in 1745. These batteries were commanded by Lieutenant Colonel John Gorham. In 1758 by Brigadier General James Wolfe. So I'll give you a little idea here, guys. There's how big it is. See that? I wish we could get inside and roam around it, but we can't. They don't have it open for the public. We were up standing on there. I was going to start the video up there, but it's a little too windy. I just didn't want it to screw with the audio. Selfie girl again. Selfie girl's taking selfies.
I didn't get a good one there. Selfie man's gonna get in a picture of selfie.
Selfie girl is taking selfies. So I'll let selfie girl take us a picture here, I guess.
Yes. Well, you'll have to talk to him.
Yeah, you have to talk to me, I guess. So yeah, guys, what do you think of this area? It's pretty nice.
Because I'm here.
Hurry up.
I'm trying to find it. So guys, can't get to what I'm trying to get.
No,
the
you're
light.
not going to get it. You're not going to get the light because the sun's shining in it.
No, the lighthouse. I'm aiming.
You're not going to get the lighthouse because you're aiming the wrong way.
Oh.
Now.
Ready? Oops.
There. Okay.
That was a picture, Kev.
So yeah, guys, I guess we'll head out of here now, but we'll do our ending sequence here in front of the lighthouse. If Laura would come over here.
I'm getting more pics.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna end this here.
I gotta get on my tippy toes.
Keep subscribing. We love you guys. We love you that you're subscribing to us. We just want to show you guys our beautiful island and bring some more tourism in, bring some money to the island. So keep the subscriptions coming. Comments down below, guys. We really want to see your comments. Hit the notification bell, guys, and until next time, catch you later.
See ya. Peace. Me here.